Welcome to the machine simulation. In this simulation, you will conduct various experiments using inclined planes, levers, and pulleys. On the opening screen, choose which section you would like to explore first. Note that the Newton converter will always be accessible if you need to convert your measurements in kilograms into newtons. Here in the inclined plane section, use the device attached to the rod to reel in the attached weight. Click the pull button to activate it. The current force the machine exerts to bring in the weight will update in real time. The maximum force achieved during the whole operation is displayed under the current force. Reset the machine and try a different plane angle by selecting the up or down arrows. You can also change out the weight attached to the machine by clicking on the heavier 2 kilogram block on the shelf. If you want to put the 1 kilogram block back on, just click on it to return it to the machine. When you are finished experimenting in the inclined plane section, go to the lever screen. Instead of one experiment station, you have 3 different setups to investigate. Click the 1, 2, or 3 to switch between the different types of levers. Setup 1 allows you to alter the position of the fulcrum on the plane. Setup 2 lets you choose where the weight will be positioned on the plane. And finally, Setup 3 gives you the option to change where the applied force is exerted on the plane. The ability to switch out the test weight remains the same in each setup. Once you are finished exploring the mechanical advantages of levers, go to the pulley section. Notice that there are 4 different pulley setups to choose from. Continue to experiment with each setup, pulling on the 2 different weights.